Should you schedule your shift when it comes to DoorDash and GrubHub? Is it better to have yourself on a schedule when you're out here doing food delivery rather than just trying to get out there and turn the apps on and to hope that you might be able to get on a Dash or get on with GrubHub to get the orders that you're looking for? Today I want to break down for you when I schedule and why I schedule, and there are times that I do and there are times that I don't. So I want to talk to you about it today so that you can understand when it is best to schedule your shifts on DoorDash and GrubHub. My name is John McFall, and I want to welcome you to the McFallRI channel, where I teach you how to make $25 to $30 an hour doing food delivery. In today's video, I thought it was really important for me to talk to you about this topic today because we are getting into the summer slowdown. We are also getting into a situation in the economy that we might be facing a recession. Some people think that we're already in it. So the orders are slowing down a little bit. The ability for us to get out there and make our money that we're looking for can be inhibited because of this situation. So I want to talk to you guys about it today and let you know what I think and how I approach this type of situation. As a multi-apper, normally I don't schedule my shifts when it is busy because I can get on any of the platforms when I go into my marketplaces and I will get the orders that I am looking for. Every year we come into the summer slowdown when the orders start slowing down on us and we're not able to get as many orders as it is when it's busy during the colder and the winter season. So when I come into the summer slowdown, there are times where I actually will go ahead and schedule a shift on DoorDash. I don't really ever schedule on GrubHub because I can just turn the app on wherever I am and I can get onto the platform even if it is not busy. So on GrubHub, I don't ever schedule a shift as a multi-apper because I can just turn on the app and get on whenever I want, and they will send me orders even when it's slower. They will send me orders if I am the closest one to the restaurant and I'm the best fit for that order. So I can still get orders on GrubHub without scheduling. DoorDash is another animal. If you open up the DoorDash app and you're getting ready to start working and you want to see what's available, if they have enough drivers out there to cover the orders that they have, they will mark that marketplace gray, which means that you cannot get on and do DoorDash if it is gray. The only time that you can is when that marketplace on that app looks like it is either a light red or a dark red, but other than that, if it is gray on DoorDash, you cannot get out there and get the money because they will not allow you to start dashing. This isn't the case if you're a top dasher on DoorDash. If you're a top dasher on DoorDash, you can get on whenever you want to get out there and get the money that you're looking to make. So when it comes to DoorDash specifically, if it is a slower time of the year and I know that the marketplace is gray, I'll actually go on and take a look and see what they have available for scheduling. I do want to say also that this is very prevalent when it comes to smaller marketplaces like Auburn here that I work. It's a population of 15,000 people. It's a really small marketplace. So when it comes to the slower times of the year when on the food delivery stuff, if I know that it is slow and I want to work in Auburn, I will predominantly schedule a shift if it's available. Here in Fort Wayne, I've seen a lot of times over the last few weeks that the marketplace has actually been gray, and this has been a population of 265,000 people. It's the second largest city in Indiana that I work in. There have been a lot of times over the last few weeks where Fort Wayne has just been gray because they don't have enough orders coming in to get a lot of drivers out. So when I am working working in Fort Wayne, if it is Monday through Friday and it's the evenings that I'm working, I will actually go on to DoorDash and see if they have a schedule available for me to work the shift that I want to work. And even on Saturday, when I want to get out there and work, sometimes I have to look to see if there's a schedule available so I can be on the platform, getting out there and getting the money that I need when it's even a slower time of the year. So as a multi-apper, when I am in the busy season, I really don't ever schedule my shifts because I know that I can go out and just turn the app on and get on right away without having to be on a schedule. However, when it's the slower time of the year, I always take a look at the schedule on DoorDash to see if I can get on if it is gray. So when you take a look at scheduling your shifts, as a multi-apper, take a look at where we are during the year and take a look at how busy your marketplace is and use those schedules to your advantage if it is the slower time of the year, and put yourself on the schedule. And remember, when you put yourself on a schedule, let's say you put yourself on from 4 o'clock in the afternoon until midnight, if you want to be done at 10 o'clock p.m., you don't have to work that whole scheduled shift on the platforms. This just opens up the time to allow you to work that time. So always remember, if it's a slower time of the year, take advantage of the scheduling that the platforms offer so that you can get on and make sure that you can get out there the money that you and your family need. One thing I want to tell you about today is my metric spreadsheet. If you don't know where you are overall, you are shooting yourself in the foot. I put together this metric spreadsheet so you guys can keep track of what you're getting when you're out here doing food delivery, so you know exactly where you are and you can see where you need to improve. I'm going to throw it up here on the screen real quick so you guys can take a quick look at it. If you look at the left-hand side, you'll see I always put my start time and my end time. This gives me the total time that I've worked. I also put in the miles, and if you look to the right, you'll see that for each app, I put the dollars that I've made, the time that I work, along with the number of deliveries. Head to the bottom and you'll see it calculates out what your average dollar per hour, dollar per mile, and your average per delivery. This metric spreadsheet is a great thing because it will show you where you are overall. We have good days and we have bad days when we're out here doing food delivery, and this will give you your overall averages. It'll also show you where you are if you're low on dollars to time, and let's say you're low on dollars to mile. This will show you that so you can see if you need to improve. Also would like to ask you to like this video, to subscribe to my channel. Finally, I want to leave you with, I hope that you are out there getting the money that you and your family deserve. And with that, I want to say thanks.